Well, good morning.
Morning, guys.
It's day 3 time for breakfast, but we're doing tacos for breakfast.
Yeah.
John tacos.
John tacos. These bad boys are yummy.
Yes, they are. So I'm gonna throw some skirt steak on that we've been marinating overnight in Allegro. That's right, yes, I was double checking my thoughts.
Yep, we had it marinating in liquid marinade for about
Overnight.
12 hours overnight.
If someone didn't sleep in, it would have been less.
But yeah, so we've got some cilantro, some refried beans, lime, lemons, and
I'm gonna make a little type of chimichurri. Gonna get that grilling. While that's grilling, we're gonna make our chimmy. I'm in a conundrum. I don't have a knife.
oh no, where's the knife? There it is.
No. Take our awesome blender. 2 lemons.
And that BlendJet blender is very good.
Get some liquid down in there before we put the herbs. 2.5 ounces of lemon juice. You can use regular garlic, but I'm just gonna cheat. About a half teaspoon of garlic powder.
And it's really just personal preference. If you want to use fresh garlic, you can. Or if you just have powder, it's just fine to do that.
And I was being lazy and I didn't want to cut up garlic. I just woke up having finished coffee. About a half teaspoon of salt and pepper. 3 cups to about 3 bunches of cilantro. Yes, I know. Don't stick your fingers in blenders while they're working.
That's what I was thinking too.
All right, once you get it down about like that, 3/4 of a cup of olive oil. And put a little in to start. We'll get this guy going. All right, we got our blender going. Add a little more olive oil, about all you need. And then we're just gonna blend it up. And that's our sauce.
Awesome. Let's check out this meat.
All right, meat's looking good. I'm gonna take it off, let it rest.
Man, that smells delicious. Alrighty, so we just got some of this store-bought refried bean.
Bag stuff, it's really good.
It is really good.
Put a little bit on our tortillas. Basically, spread it around a little. Then we're gonna throw these on the tortillas that will warm the tortilla.
Throw it on the grill, but
Yeah, kind of warm our beans up on the flat top. So we'll let those guys go. We'll cut up our meat, cut up a little sliced onion to go with it.
then we'll get to enjoy some tacos.
All right, now remember, this is a skirt steak. Grain goes like this. You do not want to cut it like this. You always want to go against the grain, or you will say it is chewy and horrible meat. If you go against the grain, it's gonna fall apart, be delicious. If you go with the grain, no good. Oh wow.
Mmm. Wow.
And a couple little lime wedges. Could get our sauce. All right, well, we got our sauce. Onion slices, a little extra cilantro, and almost forgot the queso fresco.
Woohoo!
Crumble, a little bit of cheese on top. And there you go. That is a John taco.
Mm-hmm.
Yum.
Don't forget this.
Yes, and a little extra lime wedge. Mm. All right.
Enjoy your taco. That's real good.
That's a heck of a way to have a taco.
So guys, oh, That barely took any time. The biggest thing was marinating the meat, but there's like no work involved in that, so.
Mm-hmm. So you have tacos for breakfast, lunch, or dinner.
Yep.
I'm chewing. It's rude. Talk with your mouth full. But till next time, keep cooking, keep camping.
Yeah.